The SUV world is about to get a serious shake-up, and the all-new 2026 VelociRaptor SUV is leading the charge. Combining aggressive styling, powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, this beast is designed for drivers who refuse to blend in with the crowd. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or tackling rugged-off road trails, the VelociRaptor SUV promises an experience that's as exciting as it is capable. From the very first glance, the 2026 VelociRaptor SUV makes a bold statement. Its muscular stance, widened body, and aggressive front fascia create an unmistakable presence on the road. The massive grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights that give the SUV a fierce and modern appearance. Large air intakes, sculpted body lines, and rugged wheel arches enhance its athletic character, while the elevated ride height signals its readiness for adventure. At the rear, distinctive LED taillights and dual performance exhaust outlets complete the powerful design. Every angle of this SUV has been crafted to turn heads and command attention. Step inside, and you'll discover a cabin that perfectly balances luxury and functionality. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, creating a refined atmosphere that feels both modern and durable. The spacious interior offers generous seating for passengers, along with ample cargo capacity for road trips, outdoor gear, or daily errands. A large digital instrument cluster provides important driving information with crystal clear graphics, while the massive infotainment display serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Technology plays a major role in the VelociRaptor SUV experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity come standard, allowing drivers to seamlessly integrate their smartphones. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium audio system ensure that everyone stays connected and entertained. Advanced driver assistance features help increase confidence behind the wheel, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. But what truly sets the 2026 VelociRaptor SUV apart is what lies beneath the hood. Built for enthusiasts who demand performance, this SUV delivers impressive power and acceleration. The high-output engine generates thrilling horsepower and torque figures, giving the vehicle the ability to launch with authority and confidently handle demanding terrain. Whether merging onto the highway or climbing steep trails, the VelociRaptor responds instantly to driver inputs. The advanced suspension system has been engineered to provide exceptional control across a variety of surfaces. On paved roads, the SUV remains stable and composed, delivering a surprisingly comfortable ride despite its rugged capabilities. Venture off-road and specialized terrain management systems help maximize traction in mud, sand, rocks, and snow. Combined with available four-wheel drive skid plates and all-terrain tires, the VelociRaptor SUV is ready to explore places where ordinary SUVs simply can't go. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements, helping drivers enjoy longer journeys between fill-ups. Engineers have optimized aerodynamics and powertrain performance to strike a balance between capability and efficiency. This makes the VelociRaptor a practical choice for daily driving while still delivering the excitement expected from a performance-focused SUV. As for pricing, the 2026 VelociRaptor SUV is expected to start at approximately $68,000 for the base model, while higher trims equipped with premium features and performance upgrades could push beyond the $85,000 mark. While it certainly sits in the premium segment, buyers are getting a vehicle that blends luxury, technology, off-road capability, and performance into one impressive package. The 2026 VelociRaptor SUV isn't just another sport utility vehicle, it's a statement of power, confidence, and adventure. For drivers seeking a machine that can handle daily commutes, weekend getaways, and extreme off-road challenges without compromise, this SUV could be one of the most exciting releases of the year. What do you think about the new VelociRaptor SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive content.